our beam circuit for our diamond preschool class, we're going to ask these students to start on the placement mat in the middle, which is a frog this week, and we're going to have them put their dominant foot on the frog and make a butterfly with their hands, making sure from tip to base their thumbs are together. And we're going to have them start in a strong lunge position and then lean forward in a seesaw to place their hands on the hand placement mats that are sitting on the wall in the shape of a butterfly. So let's make sure that those hand mats stay up on the wall, and if they're not there when your class comes over, check on the other side to see if they're over there. So they're going to do their strong lunge position and seesaw to place their hands on the mat in a straight line from hands to heel. After that, they're going to go to the low beam, and on our low beam, we're going to work on backward walking. We're going to ask for their arms to be in a T position, and we're going to make sure that their foot is going all the way behind the previous foot. We don't want them shuffling on the way back. Once they can do that and they're doing well with placing their feet one behind another, you can ask them to try it in releve. When they get to the trap mat, they are going to do a lunge position where they have their dominant foot in front and they're working on that strong hold with their hips square. Again, this is an advanced diamond class, so we're really working for technique on these lunges. The next thing they're going to do is their floor beam. And on the floor beam, they're going to work on skipping. The main thing we're working on is making sure that they stay on the beam. Because they're on the floor beam and they feel very safe, they usually don't have a problem skipping off to the side and thinking it's silly. So it might be helpful to tell them that they're skipping on hot lava and they don't want to fall in, or give them something motivating that's going to help them want to stay on the beam on their skips. At the end, at the orange wall, we have a placement mat sitting on the floor. On there, we're going to have them do their freeze, tap their knees with their arms out in front, bend their knees and reach down, tap 1, 2, 3 to remind them of what a good landing position feels like. And then on the way back, they're going to do the same thing, mirroring what they did on the way down. So doing their backward walks on the low beam, a lunge position on the trap mat, and then their skipping on the floor beam, ending back at the frog with their seesaw to hands on the wall. And that's it for our diamond class.